I'm finding lots and lots of potatoes.
Right, here's a little one. You want to put this in the little bucket?
Well, it's kind of big.
I don't know how big that is.
But I think it's big. This one's kind of a little skinny. So let's just put it in the little bucket.
Yeah. And there's two kinds.
Whoa,
Grandpa's
that's
have these
big.
little teeth. And one's from Publix, have the big heart shape.
I'm finding a lot of potatoes.
You are, aren't you?
Yes.
Is it good to leave a little bit of fruit on them?
No, if you're going to eat them, you don't want any extraneous stuff. Now, if they're real little, it's not worth pulling all
Look
the
at that
stuff off.
big one.
They're probably going to be sweet
Mm.
potatoes if they make it through. Isn't it funny though? See, that's one that never developed. There's too many.
Are these little or big?
They're both big. Trying to get I'm trying to get that big potato out.
Oh, that is a big potato. Maybe Daddy can help you.
You got a big one? Don't break them.
Yeah. Ben,
But,
maybe you can get this big one that he's trying to dig out. Oh,
Here's one for you.
There's Grandma.
Show me.
right
there.
Oh. Oh, yes.
Look, I can see Grandma.
I feel like a hobbit. Been into Farmer Maggie's crops again.